Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video I'm going to show you guys how I was able to make this African bone straight wig. You can call it African bone straight wig, you can equally call it blunt cut wig with dark roots. Okay, I'm going to show you guys everything from the beginning to the hot water application to the trimming and everything. To my 10 subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. So this is the first part. These are the materials we need. We need our closure, our needle and thread, our mesh cap, of course our scissors for trimming. I'm going to rush this process because this is actually the continuation of the first part of this video. I've already uploaded a detailed video on how to start, how to do all this process. Okay, so this is just a quick one. If you think this particular side is kind of fast for you, please watch the video before this one. That's the part one of this video. This one is just like a continuation of that one. Okay, so when I sew down my closure, I have to of course give a guideline, and when we are done giving a guideline, I have to prepare my extension. Okay, and I make use of 3 different cuttings for this particular. Ice cutting 6, followed by cutting 5, and then cutting 4. So this is how to go about this. Crochet little amount of threading here with your crochet pin, a small crochet pin, and then you twist. Okay, twist to down, and then you trim. Make sure you trim immediately after twisting. It's important to do this because if you should allow everything, maybe when you are done you can start trimming. This is tiny, it's tiny twist, so you might get exhausted while trying to trim it. So for me, I prefer trimming immediately after twisting, immediately after each of the twists. But if you think this won't work for you, please you can trim when you are done with everything. So like I said, I'm going to rush this particular process because I've already uploaded a detailed video on that. We will get to the main point, the bone of contention. Okay, continuation. We will stop at the last video, then I'm gonna slow it down. To my returning subscribers, I really appreciate you guys for always liking, sharing, watching my videos. And if you're yet to subscribe, please use this opportunity to hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you have any question, don't forget to let me know in the comment section. And please guys, like the video and help me to share. So this is just how you continue to get to the closure part. You can see I'm not giving much space. Okay, now this is where we'll stop at the last video, the closure part. I told you guys about that. So for the closure part, what I did was to divide the hair into 2 equal parts. First of all, 2 equal parts. Then each of the parts I have to divide them into 4 patterns. Okay, what it means is that I have 4 patterns at my right and then 4 patterns at my left. Okay, that's why you see that it's very full. Okay, 4 by the left and 4 by the right. I'm done with the left side of it, and then let me just show you guys how I was able to achieve that. So when you part it into 4, I've done 2 of the parting and then it's many 2 to go. So just part little amount of the hair and then bring in your braiding hair, tiny amount of the braiding hair, and then you start braiding. For this one, this particular wig, I'm doing Bob Marley for the base. Like I do Bob Marley, little Bob Marley before I start twisting. But you can as well twist from the root. It depends on what you want. If you don't know how to start a twist from the root, please check my video on that. I'll still drop it at this description of this particular one. like 4 different ways you can start from the root, and I already done a video on this particular way where I twisted from the root. So but for this particular one, I'm not twisting from the root. I'm doing Bob Marley for the base, just a little Bob Marley, and then I'll start to twist. Okay, and please, once you get to the closure part, part your hair little by little. Okay, we need this closure part to very full. In fact, not just the closure part, we need every part of the wig to be very full. So I braid, like I do Bob Marley little, then I join the hair with one of the hair. Like I try to make it two, so I can be able to twist. Okay, and when I'm done with each twist, definitely I have to trim it at once. Don't worry guys, just stick with me. I'm going to show you guys everything from the how I was able to apply hot water, the right way to apply hot water on this particular hair, and then how to trim it. I made use of two process, okay, to trim it. I'm going to show you guys. It's either you make use of number one or the other one, anyone you prefer. So guys, just part little, join your braiding hair, and then do a little Bob Marley before you start to twist. Okay, if you want me to make a beginner's video on how to twist, okay, where I'll be more detailed, let me know in the comment section. And again, I need to tell you guys this particular wig takes a whole lot of time, because number one is tiny, and you are trying to cover every part of it, both the cap and the closure part. So it will take a time. It requires patience. You have to be very patient while doing this, because the twist is tiny. Okay, so it will take a couple of days for you to be able to be done with one. Alright, and then let me say this: if you are interested, like you like the wig, you like this African bone straight wig, and you want to have one for yourself, any color of your choice, and you don't have that time to do this, let me know in the comment section. Chat me up. Okay, I will do it and deliver it to you, no matter your location. Okay, so if you're interested in having this, or you don't have that time to do it yourself, I can help you do that with just a token. So this is how far I have gone. I'll just complete the remaining off camera, and then we move over to the next step, which is to actually apply hot water on the hair. So this is finally when I am done. Okay, it's beautiful this way, can wear it this way. Okay, that's after applying hot water, but we are going to still blunt cut it, because that's the main style of this one. Some people do it just like this, apply hot water and go ahead and warm, but this particular one we are going to blunt cut it. So now for the hot water process, just dip the whole hair inside the bowl and be a bucket, and then pour hot water on every part of the hair. Please, the water should be very hot, like 100% hot. Okay, and please be careful when you're applying the hot water, because this hot water, any slightest mistake, you're going to burn yourself. So be very careful when you are doing this. So just make sure every part of the hair is touched with the hot water. Don't worry about it might tangle, some part of it might tangle. That's why you need the hot water. So keep dipping it inside the hot water, just the way you can see. Okay, the way you see me doing, just dip it inside hot water that way. so you'll be able to strengthen every part of it. Now the wig is out of hot water. It's time for us to now do the final process, which is to blunt cut it. So the length depends on you. If you want yours to be that handy, okay, then you should know exactly where to cut. And if you want it to just drop on your shoulder, then you know how the length you should cut off. So that solely depends on you, on what exactly, which one exactly you want. So I'm making use of a hair clipper to blunt cut it, but that doesn't mean that you can only do this with hair clipper. Like I told you guys, you can do this in two ways. Either you use a hair clipper or you use the second one I'm going to show you guys, which is scissors. So scissors can still do the magic if you don't have a hair clipper. Okay, so either you use your scissors or your hair clipper. I even prefer scissors because scissors is more faster for me. So just continue cutting, making sure it's at the same length. Please take your time to do this, do not rush. Why? The reason why I keep combing it because I want to make sure everything is on the same length. Okay, just take your time and do it. And this is just the final process. Once you're done with this, you are finally done. You can as well choose to straighten, like this is your hair stretch now. So stretching the tip of the hair. In case if there are some that are tangled, you can just use a stretcher to straighten it up. Okay, that's another extra bonus. And this is what we have at the end of everything. Just look at this hair. It's very full, amazing, beautiful. Like it's everything. Look at it, very full. Thank you. I hope I'm able to show you guys everything. Okay, if you don't understand the early stage, please visit the last video before this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in my next upload. Please don't forget to like, share. If you're yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Bye.